In this video, we're going to take a look at how to clean outputs that come from a Claygent prompt. Here's an example of a sentence that contains a custom variable. It says, I noticed your company or your team advised on or was involved in the scraped case name. So what we're doing is using Claygent here to visit the website and retrieve the most prominent sounding case from a law firm's website. So as you can see, these are the outputs, and some of them are very long, some of them contain spam words, and if you were to use them as they are in this sentence, then you're going to have some very awkward and unusual sounding sentences that is just going to scream out, hey, this is an AI generated sentence. So we need to fix this, and that's why I have renamed the output column here to say scraped case name dirty, because we need to clean it. So I'm going to show you the process that I use to clean outputs like this. So over in ChatGPT, this is my first prompt. I said, here's a sentence that I'll use in a cold email. So we put in the sentence, and then I said, here are the scraped case name outputs from a Claygent step in Clay. So I copy and pasted all of these examples. It's good to give as many as possible so that it has as many examples and edge cases to understand all of the things that need to be fixed. And then I said, task 1, tell me which of these is going to look stupid in the above sentence. Too long, unnatural, financial terms causing emails to land in spam, missing a noun to make the sentence grammatically correct, etc. And then I said, step 2, for each of those, tell me A, what you'd change them to ensure they sound natural and are spam free in the above sentence, and then B, how you change them, what steps you would take to ensure that every output is ready for that sentence. So what we're doing here is we're first getting ChatGPT to think about the process of how to change them and what they need to be changed to in order to make them as natural as possible. And so it gave this output where it said, okay, let's break this down. It's put out what sounds stupid, it's put out the fixes, what they changed them to, and then how they change them, so the steps that it would use. And then I said, okay, now write a prompt to clean all the inputs to make them usable and spam free in that sentence using the logic you've told me so far, steps you take to change them, and what you change them to. Lots of examples to minimize edge cases. And so now it has output a prompt. We're going to copy this, and then we're going to go over to Clay, and scraped case name dirty is the input. So we're going to choose generate text, and we're just going to see how this works. So we're going to go to configure, we're going to use 4.0 mini, paste this in here. Scraped case name dirty is actually what it is. Now we can save and run 10 rows and see how those look. Good. Let's run a few more, because you can see that there are some massive outputs here that would just look too long for that. So we're going to run, let's see, choose number of rows to run. I'm going to run from row 11, and I'm going to run the next 50. And we just need to keep in mind that we're trying to see if it's going to sound natural in this sentence. I noticed your company advised on this case. Okay, these are much better, as you can see. Like this one is massive. It's output something that sounds reasonable, sounds natural. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. I have a ton of more content coming. And if you'd like to talk about having us set up workflows in Clay like this that will help you to generate leads, qualify leads, enrich leads, and run campaigns that generate meetings for you on autopilot, then book a call with me, click a link in the description, and hope to chat with you soon. Thanks.